We are being vindicated by the courts. We are free.
Yes.
We are going home.
Yes.
But you can't go home yet without talking about our brothers and sisters who are missing.
Yes.
The DCI and NIS took these 3 men.
Yes.
They were abducted by the state.
Yes.
There is evidence. The court gave a court order for the police to produce them. They have refused to produce them.
Yes.
When our president, our lying president, goes around and says there are no missing people, these are the missing people.
Yes.
So our demand is to release these 3 men unconditionally, and every other person who is missing. Listen, people, NIS budget is 46.8 billion shillings. That is the money that is being to abduct people, bribe politicians.
Yes.
We have refused to be bribed, but now we're being intimidated. The reason why people can't go to the streets because the police are locking down Nairobi. But the resistance is still strong. We are going to resist until Ruto goes.
Yes.
Ruto must go. Ruto must go. Ruto must go. My brother here went to State House yesterday, and we plan to go to State House to give Ruto a list of the missing people. Yes. We shall march to Parliament, to State House.
A people united shall never be defeated. 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 Nairobi united shall never be defeated. Nairobi united shall never be defeated.
Africa united
shall never be defeated.
Kenyan united
Shall never be defeated.
Amandla.
Awetu.
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 Tulisoma katiba.
Tukaelewa kufanya maandamano ni haki yetu. Kufanya maandamano ni haki yetu. Tulisoma katiba. Tukaelewa. Tulisoma katiba. Tukaelewa kufanya maandamano ni haki yetu. Kufanya maandamano ni haki yetu.
Comrades, power!
Power! Solidarity forever!